everybody, I'm LEGO Separator and welcome back to another LEGO video. Today, we are going to be looking at a set number 70720 from LEGO Ninjago, and it was released in 2013. So without further ado, let's get started. So this set comes with two minifigures, and the first one is this guy called Cole over here, and he's the Ninja of Earth. His main color is black with these black gloves along with these black sleeves and plain black trousers, and over here on the front of his torso we've got a few details. We've got some brown rope printed over there and some gold stripes as well. It seems like he also has some sort of golden tunic underneath that as well, and some golden buckles. We've also got a little insignia over here on the shoulder, and across the base we've got this sort of lightning style orange cracks going along here too. Now on his face he has a little half mask which covers his face and it is removable, and on the top of his head he's got this black hairpiece as well. With his hair and mask removed, we can have a look at his black bushy eyebrows over here and his grumpy expression. And looking round the back of the torso over here, we have an emblem over here. Seems like some sort of skull, a golden skull surrounded by some golden rocks, and more of that printing that we had on the front. Now our second minifigure looks like a bad guy over here. I believe this guy is called a Nindroid. So he too also has some plain black legs and plain black sleeves and hands as well. So looking over here on the front of his torso, we've got some purple sort of stripes going across here, and it seems like lots of technical sort of parts and components, and this silver tube going across the front. So looking at the print on his face over here, seems like we've got it split down the middle. So on the one side we have this main black color with this red eye, and on the other side of the mean face we have sort of like silver paneling going across this side of the face with sort of incomplete eye over there. And looking around the back as well, we get this little print on this back side of the head, some more silver paneling, and around the back of the torso we have some more purple and red stripes, some more visible components, and at the very center over here we have this sort of circular saw print as well. So the main part of this set goes into this hovering style vehicle for the Nindroid over here. It is quite a bit of a mess of components and bricks stuck together, so let's see if we can actually focus on one thing at the moment. So first of all, let's have a look at this circular saw over here, this circular saw piece, a little bit intimidating, and this helps it give us an idea that this thing is hovering. So moving it forwards, just spins the circular saw like this, and that's down to this wheel sitting on over here. But you guys at home need to pretend that it's hovering above the ground, and also, you know, be careful, this is sharp, you know. So we've got a few Technic pieces over here at the front, and we have these rubbery tube pieces as well to give a little bit of style, and we also have these little red tiles here at the front, I suppose dangerous lights. We've got these medium-sized purple wedge pieces going along the sides over here, meeting up to the rear end of the craft. Over here on the sides we have these little missiles, these Technic pin missiles using these red tubular pieces on the end. You can obviously push with your thumb or flick them like that and go all over the place. Over here on the sides we have these round pieces with prints on them, the circular saw sort of logo almost, just like we saw on our Nindroid as well. We also have another print over here on this tile, little control panel, and we have these engine specific pieces here as well. We have these silvery sort of tooth pieces going on either side here, and some black grills over here at the front as well. And over here is where our Nindroid would sit, so let's just bring him over here and sit him down like this. And we also have these silver sort of weapon pieces to stylize his seating a little bit and to hold him in there. We also have these small little purple cheese slopes here as well. These silver sort of saw pieces are also removable and can be used as handheld weapons as well. And moving on to the back over here, we have more wedge pieces, just these done in black over here, just to help round things off near the back. And over here we have this 8-handle piece, which is attaching these silver weapon pieces to the main body. And we have this red radar dish piece over here as well, sort of boost this forward. And taking a look underneath this, so there are no wheels over here apart from this one, which just trails along the ground and spins the saw as well. We've got plenty of Technic pieces hidden under here, and we also have this sort of boat specific piece here, and these chute elements which help the rear part of this craft to slide along the ground. And we do get one extra accessory in this set. So over here we have this Techno Blade, which is made up of some golden pieces over here, the golden handle over here, and this golden chain here too. And we have the most important part over here, which is the blade itself, or should I say several blades, because it seems to be made out of plenty of different weapons stuck together. So we've got this sort of saw piece over here, and this sort of axe style on this end, and of course this circular saw here as well. And this is done in green, and each of the ninja have their own Techno Blade done in a different color. I believe it was to that season. Cole has this one in green with a chain attached to it. But that's the end of our video, so I hope to show you more in the future. I hope this inspired you, and until next time, happy building!